Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make your taskbar look like Windows 11. So let's get started. First, create a blank folder where you want. Now right click on the taskbar and unlock it. Again right click on it and select new toolbar. Now go to your folder and select it. As you can see, the folder came in the taskbar. Now drag this like that. So it's done. Enjoy this. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.